Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam. Gangavaram Port, the deepest and most modern port in the country, today continues its unprecedented streak of records by achieving yet another milestone in various cargo commodities. The port provides efficient cargo handling of break bulk cargoes group customers. The port and its related facilities and material handling system are almost the most advanced in Asia, meeting the highest standards in terms of safety. Milestones: Vedanta Cargo for 16,894 million aluminum billets and WRC was sent to United States through Gangavaram by the vessel. Outrider, destuffing, stacking, moving through trailers and loading into vessels were all done by Gangavaram Port. By Gangavaram Port, trim and containerized cargo was changed by to bulk. Synods lashing scrap were used for the first time. Heat treatment dunnage was used for the first time in accordance with the international standards. In other achievement, GPL made a record by loading 4,256 million tons in 24 hours base when MV Eagle Trader carrying 25,085 million tons of Vedanta cargo aluminum ingots source was berthed at Gangavaram port. Also, GPL made a record in vessel MV Mandarin Eagle by 1,078 million tons of RINL steel blooms in 24 hours base. Highest bagging: the port has achieved another milestone in bagging the highest quantity of fertilizers. Highest mechanical bagging quantity: Gangavaram Port Limited GPL displayed excellent performance by loading 8,500 and 1,88,887 bags, which were completed in record time with 10 MBUs in 24 hours. Infrastructure: Gangavaram Port offers nearly 1.2 million square meters of covered storage space as well as dedicated covered slidings of fertilizers operation. The latest 125-ton fertilizer hoppers, mechanized bagging units and bag conveyors boost the handling capability until wagons and trucks were loaded. Every day, the port sent out 3 racks of fertilizers with expanded capacity and fertilizers coupled with efficiency in operations. Gangavaram Port routinely delivers high fertilizers dispatched with ease for customers. Cargo management efficiency is demonstrated by record cargo loading and discharge of numerous commodities. Gangavaram Port always strives to provide the best service to customers. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.